Well, all right, guys, this sort of takes us full circle from the last video. I've shown you my spreadsheet, and now I know what I've got to sow. So what I'll do is take the relevant seeds out of the photo case and put them into my monthly tin. Now I know I've still got some onions in here, so I want to do those anyway. Carmen's Sweet Red and Fletcher's Own. I haven't done those yet. But I'll leave the red Carmen. I've got to do those right. So what I'm going to do now is just go through the sheet. I've had a quick look back through 2024, 2025 to see the weeks that I planted them, not the months. And now on this little sheet here, I just marked out weeks 1, 2, 3 and 4, just to give me a better idea. If I had poor germination in week 1 for 2024, 2025, I might leave it till week 2, you know what I mean? One thing I could do in future is actually make a note of the weather, but I'm not sure that's too relevant with seeds because they're in the greenhouse anyway. So, well, let's get a few started. I'll turn you off in a second. Right, A's. We don't want aubergines. We're not doing beetroots yet. I'm going to leave those. Yeah, I'm going to leave those till end of the month. Yeah, Cape gooseberries, that's the one I want. Which is also called Aunt Molly's ground cherry. And I'm looking for the acucha, the giant acucha from Ali, I think it is, yeah. So if it's from Ali, it'll be in a funny packet. Here we are. Giant Bolivian acucha, acucha, whatever you call it. I saved from my own plant. Right, what's those? I'll put those in there before they blow away. Right, bees. They've got, I think, like A's and bees in here, yeah. Broccoli. I want my broccoli. This is more of a calabrese type broccoli. It's actually called broccoli calabrese, so it's a weird one. I've gone straight past it, haven't I? Let's put them upside down. They're almost too blooming small, these. Broccoli calabrese, there we are. Brussels. I'm leaving the Brussels till the end of the month or even April. Right. Cabbage. Cabbage are in C's. Do you know what the most popular letter is? Some years it's C and some years it's S. I think S has gone up because I got spring onions in there. Or have I? No, I got spring onions in onions now. So S has gone down because the spring onions are over there. Right. It's full of waffle again now. Savoy, that's what I want. Savoy Perfection. Get the Savoy started. And the other one is Piazzetta. There it is. Real seeds, that one. This is why I write the name of the supplier down, because I recognise the packets. So, for example, Just Cedar like that. Oh, I might do Redmar actually as well, yeah. And then real seeds like that. So recognise the packets, Thompson & Morgan and so on and so on. Cauliflower all year round. I've got to get some more cauliflower actually. I've got to get some RZ cauliflowers. Yeah, celeriac, giant Prague, mole seeds, that one. Leeks, I've got to do leeks, but again, I'm going to get some more compost. Alpha leeks, but I'll get them out ready. So this year we got Carlton, Musselburgh and Leon. Put those in there. Right, lettuce, I've got some lettuce done. Lettuce. Now, I've got this new one. Wait, on Lola Rossa now. Kirio, that's going in the veggie pod kitchen garden when I've got some more compost. I want to get fresh compost, see. The stuff that's sat in the garden centre at the moment could still be the stuff from last year, you know. And, yeah, Lola Beyonda, which my club members got this time, last time. One more for now. There's a few odds and ends, but it's Shallots. That's what the S's are. I want to get the Zebrunnes in. Here we are. I got a new load of Zebrunne from Unwins. Let's see if these are any different to the last lot. Right then. Put that away. Okay then, you've seen me do this countless times. A new Agrilan from Barry, thank you very much. And I'll be doing some in the Jeremy seed starters in a minute. Right, with the Agrilan, don't fill it over the tray because the tray will fill with compost and you'll have a right mess. So all I do is just scatter the compost over the top lightly, give it a good shaking. I give this a good riddle actually. And the riddle was, I've got hands and a face, but I'm not a person. What am I? Boom, boom, I'm here all week, guys. So, yeah, give it a good shaking. I do this every year in front of you, but just check that the holes are full, because if they're not, the water ain't getting down, or the water ain't getting up, sorry. Tiny little press just to make sure. Lovely. Right, and the Agriland comes with a handy lid, which has also got little dimple thingies on it, little dibbers, that'll do. Right, so what I'm going to put in here then? I'm going to do some brassicas in here because I'm not going to want that many brassicas. So we've got 7, so if I do those in a minute, do those in a minute. Oh, I could do no, I'm going to do the Zebrunnes in there. Okay, then first up is cauliflower all year round, and the first number to use is 35. Cauliflower all year round, 35. It says all year round because you can sow this one in October as well. So I'm going to put 2 in each cell. Are they called cells in here? 1, 2, 1, 2. Yep. Quick spray to dampen these down without knocking them everywhere. And a little bit of fine vermiculite on top. Here we are then, first lot done. In the greenhouse. And what I do with the seeds I've just sown, I put these back in the black box in a second, rather than keep them in there because it just confuses the matter. Oh. Right, let's get these, trying to think now. Right, sorry, I'm not very good at thinking. Right, Jeremy, fantastic bit of kit. You know I like these, use them every year. Good old Eric, fantastic invention, buddy. I'll put a link to his website. Now every year I got to remember which way around these goes, because the end pieces have got 3 different forms on them. You can use the small, the medium or the large inserts on these, each on these. So yeah, clever bit of design. So they've only got to make 1 lot. If I remember, it's the side with the single slot. So that's, I mean, you could say write it down, Steve, but where's the fun in that, you know? Soon know once you try and put the second one in. Yeah, that's it, look, they line up perfectly. And that gives us, if I remember, 25 cells, 25 cells. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can fill these. It can be a bit awkward to show you actually. Let's put the seeds there. Here we are. I like to fill it on the tray and then take it off the tray to clear the tray. You'll see what I mean in a second. Now I'll fill that right and give it a little press, just a gentle press in, because you don't want to compact the compost. Now get another tray ready. Ooh. There we are. There we are. So we've got a nice clean tray now. Let's put it back down again. Let's get me a little dibber. Just making a small indent, nothing too deep. Right, let's get these acouchas in. Right, I've only got 2 of those, so what I'm going to do is put something else behind it. Yep, I'm going to do the rest of the tray with the Zebrune. If there's enough in there, go. Get many seeds there. Well, you don't get many for your buck there, that's for sure. Right, I'm going to put some compost on top of this lot. Well, yeah, guys, that's me. I'm going to get a few more done. I shan't bore you with any more. And we might have to start doing the Monday seedling update next week. Yeah. Oh, I'll tell you what. I want to show you these weird Thai long green chilies. I mentioned it in a bit of a footage I haven't shown you yet. I mean, you go and get them at the greenhouse and see what you think of these leaves. I mean, look at the size of those compared to those. And the leaf is a totally different form. It's hard to get them side by side, but they're totally different. They're weird, isn't it? There's a size of that one. It's almost like, it's not, but it's almost like an aubergine leaf, as opposed to these Bishop's Crowns, which were sown on the same day. That doesn't mean much, like, because these could be faster growing, these Thai long greens. Interesting to see what I got here. Yeah, probably something like poison ivy or nice one, Ali. Anyway, let's get some potted on anyway, and I'll come back in a bit. Well, here we are, look. I'm sure these aren't chilies. That's a chilli there, look. Or a pepper and a chilli, totally different. Well, we'll see. This is all the fun of gardening, isn't it? If you're watching, Ali, and you've got any idea, well, give us a clue. Well, I noticed that someone's been nibbling my seed potatoes. In fact, nibbling, I think he's eaten all of this one. So I set my trail cam up on the floor, and this is what I found.